We've been cleaning all day.
I can't take it anymore.
Residents in one town pick through the damage.
We need to fix everything. We need to do everything from the beginning. The books, all the documents, all the clothes, they're all gone. They told us you have to get out. You have to leave the house. You can see why.
The heavy rains caused over 20 rivers to burst their banks and almost 300 landslides. Stefano Bonacini, the regional president, said the cost of the damage totals billions of euros. With further rain forecast, locals remain worried.
Our biggest fear is that if it starts raining again, with the hole in the dike, if it were to start raining again, we fear that the water could again rise. That's our biggest fear.
These makeshift roadside barriers, the only defense for many against further flooding.